Okay, so these are chopsticks extensions, she said. Okay, so let's figure this out. Never seen chopsticks extension, but there it is. Okay, so I guess the fat one, I don't know. I'm hoping these are clean, right? Like nobody gets their stuff in here. There you go. So I got my chopstick extension. So he's making some hand-pulled noodle. Man, that's like oil, everything by hand. Looks like they said they pull the noodle as somebody orders one. They don't make it ahead of time. Look at that. That's so fresh. Looks so good. Oh goodness. Oh, was it? And then he dropped it in the water. I missed that department, but you all got the gist. Okay, I gotta have my chicken feet. Looks good. And this is pulled flat noodles with scallion, and of course I added some shrimp. So that looks good.